Okay, so in the October 2013 issue of Popular Woodworking Magazine, we talked about using a compass for performing a lot of layout tasks. And one of the things you can do is divide a circle into 6 equal parts, and the same radius that I used to draw the circle, if I step that off around the perimeter, that will make 6 equal divisions. And if I connect those lines, that'll make a hexagon. The other thing you can do is find the angle in between these if you want to make a miter joint. So I'm just setting the compass to any distance, and I'm coming off in each direction. And from those 2 points, I'm going to swing an arc. And so it's from this intersection back to where the angled lines intersect. That divides that neatly in 2. And the other thing, if I continue clear across, each of these divisions is actually an equilateral triangle, and that's why stepping off the hexagon works. And I first came across this trying to lay out the clock face. I've got 6 points. If I had 12, I'd have the hours. So if I can divide this line in half, that will give me another point. So to divide a line, it's pretty much the same as dividing the angle. Where the 2 arcs intersect, that will come back to the center. So I've not only divided this line exactly in half, this angle in here is perfectly square. And this intersection here is going to be exactly in between those 2 points. So if I come back and reset my compass to the radius, I can step off from those points, and that would give me 12 divisions from the original 6. So there's a lot of layout tricks. You can find them all in the article that's in the October 2013 issue of Popular Woodworking Magazine.